We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with PLTR continuing to break out and test new all-time highs. And now the question is, will it head towards 200 and even break it? And in today's volatility, it wasn't the only stock moving higher. We saw the SPY going up higher, and our SPY bot at 9:45 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour. Guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment to get connected to our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and our bots, and get connected just like every single member in the community using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So PLTR stock has had huge contracts, right? $1 billion contracts with that news coming out. And then on top of that, earnings was really strong. It finally broke out from the 160 area, and now it's up here heading towards 190. The question is, could it hit 200? And that's what we're going to break down in today's video and what key levels to watch. Now, the home run today was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:50 a.m. as you see it there, and it did not get canceled by a bear indicator till 3:30 p.m., lasting nearly all day from down here at around 220.60 area, lasting all the way up to the highs here of 230, and call options went up 200% plus within hours. Guys, if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, and if you trade options and are looking for these opportunities that we strive for every single day and want to get connected and receive these alerts and know about these stocks early on, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Now, when we go over to PLTR, we can go ahead and see here that we are approaching close to 190. That's going to be a crucial resistance here before breaking out to 200. But we definitely want to see this hold support. There was a big drop there into the close, and quickly it just right there bounced back up to 187 from 184. And that's going to be a crucial level here going into next week to not ignore, and also where we did the next leg up in the pre-market near 183.80. Now, when we zoom out on PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., on the 1 hour, we could see a full transition here from the dip areas, I call it, of white red borders to multiple bright green bars here on the way back up. And then we also did a transition back down to red bars, and now we're back up to bright green bars. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with PLTR stock under a bull indicator since the 155 level, canceling out that previous bear indicator of 158. And that was a crucial resistance up here between 158 and the highs of 161. It broke out through it. You could see that push there going into earnings. And then it actually sat flat, but no bear indicator in the process on any of these pullbacks or flat reactions. We just continue to break out to newer highs in the last several days and weeks. And then you go to the 2 hour and same thing, strong bull indicator there at 157.55, and the 30-minute bull indicator here that is strong back on Friday at 182.59. And you could see that push up towards 187. And for as long as this bull indicator does not get canceled, and the larger ones on the 1 hour and the 2 hour, that strength is justifiable. The volatility on the lower time frames may switch, but right now they're all aligning. So let's say that there's a slight pullback and bear indicators start to pop up. It's going to be crucial to hold the support above 184 and 183, and then below that is down towards 182.50. But if we were to continue gapping up and pushing up towards 190, 192, and 195, it's because these bull indicators on the larger time frames have not switched. And if there were to be a bigger pullback all the way down to 179 or even below that support, well, as long as the bull indicator on the 1 hour and the 2 hour continue to hold, that strength is justifiable to try to set up on that pullback for the next bull run. That is something to not ignore and overlook, because the bigger time frames are still holding their bull indicators. And that's where 42 vision gives us that edge within the volatility to go ahead and rationalize within the volatility what is going on with these charts and what's going on in the volatility of the lower time frames and what's going on in the bigger picture, setting the strength of the trend. Plus our inflow versus outflow, which I'm going to pull up here, and we'll see how those inflows have been compounding up to this point. Now, when we look at PLTR stock with these inflows, we could see how they've compounded on the 30-minute from down here at 175, 177, and the most recent one at 179, reaching 180, right? And these inflows have been dominating bigger than the outflows. Outflows is the red bars, and blue indigo is inflows. And you could see the size here of these inflows dominating in this chart. And when we go all the way out towards the 1 hour, it's the same thing we see, right? Inflows back to back since down here at 154, up here at 171, and now at 180. As long as we don't retest any of these levels, or if we were to, we want to see the chart hold up and go back up and do the next leg up. But as long as we continue pushing up and we don't test any of these inflows and these inflows continue to compound, we could start heading towards the possibility of going to 190 or even breaking out above it. So with the SPY compounding these inflows back to back, to that I have to say, so yeah, those are the key levels here. That's what we need to watch. We need to watch the upside. A lot of people are speculating, could we break through 190? If we do, 192, 195, I'll be watching. To the downside, that support there of 184 to 183 is crucial. Then 182.50 all the way down towards the 180.15 level here, where these inflows really started to accelerate on Thursday going into Friday, and these new all-time highs that we've reached so far. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.